Guys, what's up? Doc here with Dr. Auto Spy. Just wrapped up a cool project at our shop here in Botetourt County. Remember, we do paint protection, film, ceramic coatings, swirl and scratch removal. That's our specialties. Pretty soon we're going to be introducing window tinting. Really excited about that. But listen, this vehicle here, and every vehicle for that matter, has its own story. This particular one actually came to us from a regular client who's treating his son with a nice ceramic coating package. So we've machine polished it, put our 2-year ceramic coating on it. Look at the gloss and shine. Man, it looks great. Even treated him, he doesn't know it yet, but we surprised him with the complimentary windshield coating while it was here. While it was also here, we did a full-blown detail on the inside too, and it looks immaculate on the inside. Actually, I'll open up that door so you can kind of get a chance to see it. Well, let us know if we can do anything for you. We really appreciate you watching our videos. We appreciate your support. Hope you guys have an awesome holiday, by the way. Catch you later.